the second day of restriction in Kashmir, and there are security personnel everywhere. I just wanted to go out. I'm just trying to sneak my way out because there is a lot of checking everywhere. We need to shut down the camera now because there's a checkpoint and they're checking every vehicle which is passing by. So I need to cut it down. I want to show you guys. There's army, there's military everywhere. Now you can just imagine how difficult it is for a content creator, a YouTuber, to make videos out there on these streets. This is Kashmir, these are my streets. Making videos, we need to shut down this camera. Let's record it with a phone camera, because if they'll see us, shooting with this camera, we're gonna get beaten really hard, man. Just shut it down.
It has been exactly a year today since the special status of Kashmir was revoked. We can't find any safe place to vlog today. There is huge presence of security forces everywhere.
Since there are restrictions everywhere, so I have chosen this place in between the Dal Lake, which is called a Char Chinari. It's basically an island. So I'm sure that nobody will be there and we can easily make this video and continue our talk.
We will take a Shikara boat to the island. This year hasn't been great for these boat owners due to no influx of tourists visiting Kashmir. It has become really hard for them to earn their livelihood.
ब्रोट काफ़ी ये वरियस गो वारिया कम योर आव कहीं लगभग जन पे आर्टिकल ते हटोकन तम सत गो ये वारिया फर्क तन पे आव कहीं तो यम कोरोना सत गो ज़्यादा
On my back, I present you Char Chinari. It's beautiful.
I want to show the world how beautiful Kashmiris are, how cheerful these people are, and how much they have been devastated, they have been torn apart due to the conflict. It has ruined the lives of many people out here. It has shattered the dreams of many people out here. It has just devastated lives here. We have been living in trauma since 70 years. The biggest challenge which I faced this year is the lack of connectivity. It has been a year and we are still using the 2G internet speed here when the world is progressing and they are planning to launch a 5G connectivity. It's really inhuman and it's really insane to expect from your audience to watch a 4K resolution video in 720p. My channel growth, it has gone down drastically. In Kashmir, people cannot have that experience of watching a travel video on this low resolution. Videos keep on buffering. You can just imagine in today's world a video which keeps buffering.
In year 2018, I made around 50 odd travel videos, traveling to the nooks and corners of Kashmir. In spite of frequent restrictions, shutdowns and blockade on internet. But post August 5th, 2019, things went from bad to worse. They shut down the entire communication network. Internet is still shut down with 2G connectivity, and I could only make 2 to 3 travel videos this year. Now the problem is our parents are not allowing us to go on these hikes and into these expeditions because people are getting disappeared in these mountains, and there are rumors of people joining the militancy, and it has really made our parents scared about the situation out here in Kashmir. So this is the other challenge which we are coping up with, to convince our parents and to let them know that these mountains are safe, or aren't they?
We Kashmiris never lose hope. Hope is important because it can make the present moment less difficult to bear. If we believe that tomorrow will be better, we can bear a hardship today. When we are hopeful, we are optimistic and believe positive things will happen to us and to the world.
So what exactly changed after the revocation of Article 370 for a content creator like me? This year has been a total disaster. I have no access to high-speed internet. I have no access to places because of huge presence and army deployment everywhere. Checkposts, security, frisking. It's really difficult for me as a content creator to move from one place to another because it's hard for me to explain as security personnel what vlogging is, what content creation is, and why do I post videos on YouTube channel. I'm not a journalist, I don't have a card or permission to make videos. and it becomes really difficult for me to explain to them. Apart from this, the restrictions, curfews, and the COVID pandemic, it has added more to my misery. This year I haven't been able to post content, and it has drastically affected my channel growth and my subscriptions. Despite the challenges we face in Kashmir, it doesn't stop me from telling our stories to the world.